For generations, we found new ways to make how you watch better and better. What happens when TV meets intelligence? You create an entirely new way to interact with TV. Because AI doesn't just control millions of pixels with greater accuracy. It adapts, anticipates, and transforms along with you to make your experience more personal. It understands you and what's on screen, reading the rhythm of every moment to immerse you in unimaginable ways. When you design a TV with AI at its core, it stops being a TV. It becomes something far greater.